Hi everyone, my name is Nika and I'm from Croatia, currently a student at Fontys University of Applied Sciences in Eindhoven, the Netherlands. I've just finished a fantastic 6-month internship with Club Canary here in Tenerife, starting in the busy summer of 2023. It's been an incredible journey, especially during the bustling season, helping people from all over the world and from different nationalities. I focused a lot on marketing, which was both fascinating and educational. I also dipped into web designing and product updating, which was great to learn. It's interesting to see how an online platform that assists so many people daily keeps things fresh and updated. Additionally, I also had the chance to work in customer service, where I learned to handle various challenging situations, from managing customers' wishes and expectations when the weather didn't cooperate, to suiting those upset over refund policies they had broken. Though it could be stressful, it was highly instructive. The most rewarding part was knowing that Club Canary helps create unforgettable memories in people's lives, like marriage proposals and fantastic birthday activities, company outings, and much more. Being part of a team that brings so much happiness was a true joy. Plus, I got to explore this beautiful island in my free time. If you're thinking about an internship and want to be part of this team that makes a real difference in people's lives, I strongly recommend contacting Club Canary. This experience has been one I will never forget. However, it is important to mention that sometimes the work can be challenging, as we strive not to make mistakes that could affect someone's holiday plans. This requires working a bit like a perfectionist, but in the end it's incredibly rewarding. Thanks Club Canary for the amazing opportunity here, and I hope I will see you again soon.